is a different issue. We have to cut short because we respect democratic norms. But every smallest incident, they have somehow tried to make capital out of it in the wrong way, I would say.
तुम्ही मध्ये उठले
हा?
आन्सर दिवपाक तुम्ही मध्ये उठले म्हणटा केदो when it came to Margaon bus stand issue.
We are mixing every issue. They try to connect everything the wrong way. That is what I am saying.
Yeah, you said.
You have every right to raise issues, but in the correct manner. That is what I wanted. तुमच्या होई घुसपण कशे केले कशे जातले हे असेंब्ली एक आम्ही लक्षात दवरपाक जाय. इट इज कॉल्ड द ऑगस्ट हाऊस बिकॉज दॅट इज द रियल टेम्पल ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी. ती शिस्त, ती मर्यादा, those democratic principles you have to respect. Otherwise, how will people respect you on the road? Then everything will become assembly and there will be chaos everywhere. You have to first keep the assembly in the highest traditions of good democratic principles.
Now this assembly is curtailed or will it called after that?
This for practical purposes, this assembly session is over. We adjourned Senate. Now we'll have to call a new session. This Honorable Chief Minister already announced he'll be calling a new session whenever necessary.
Monsoon session आहे असता. Monsoon session असता त्यांना.
Monsoon session, not calling monsoon session because the full budget is passed. So now we'll have, there are always going to be supplementary grants, other vote on account, all that will have to be taken later.
टॅक्सी विषय आता सुटाव करपाक मेळटा न्ही, काय प्रॉब्लेम ना न्ही. टॅक्सी विषय म्हणटा
टॅक्सी विशय सुटावो करपाक कितें कमिटी आतां तांकां घेवन बसला न्ही, तांची मिटींग जावन दी, सुशेगाद जावन दी, कांय घाय करपाची ना. बिकॉज एम्फसीस हेज बीन पयलीं तांकां समजून येवपाक जाय. तांकां दिसपा जाय आपल्या लागून हें करता म्हणून, सरकार आपल्या जाय म्हणून करना. आतां इवन मिटराचें प्रकरण ताका ते कित्याक मिटर घालपा लायले, दॅट इज बिकॉज ऑफ PTAG वेंट टू हायकोर्ट, हायकोर्टान आदेश दिलो. जाल्यार ते केन्ना जावपाचें न्हू, समजलो न्हू. आतां डिजिटल प्लॅटफॉर्माचेर येवपाचें पयलीं तांकां सारकी समजणी मेळोवन दी, तांकां कन्विन्स जावन दी. टायम सुद्दां लागल्यार जाता, म्हाजो तुमचो इशू.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.